Okay, you got two switches that controls 1, 2 or 3 lights at the same time. So turn the light on, you go to the next switch, turn it off. From this switch, turn it on. From this switch, turn it off. Turn it on, off. Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to install a three-way switch, three-way switch and a light, which is gonna help us to control this light through these two switches. Okay, this is what we're gonna need. I'm assuming that all the wiring that you're gonna run is new. Okay, we're gonna need two single box, a ceiling box for a light. So we're gonna run our feed wire to the first box. Just keep in mind that this wire is gonna be your feed. This wire is gonna be hot. Okay, a three-way wire. This is gonna run from our first box to the second box. This wire that I'm running, it has an extra wire. The regular wire only has the black and the white wire with the ground. This wire has an extra wire, which is the red one, and this wire is called a three-way wire. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and the ground. It's the same wire, 1, 2, 3 and the ground. Now we're gonna run the wire a standard 14-2 to the first box. Okay, now we have this wire on the ceiling box. We're gonna strip these two. Then here we only have the white, the hot and the ground. So in this case you're gonna see two screws. This is the hot, this is the white. Peel this, peel this. Okay, always double check that the power is off, so you don't get electrocuted. Alright, so here's the white wire, which goes right here. Then we have the hot, which goes right here. In this case, this one doesn't have a ground, but we're gonna plug our ground to the screw on the box. We're gonna secure the box with these screws or bolts. And this is where we're gonna place our light bulb. Alright, so again, this wire has gotta be stripped. Okay, now here's where the tricky part is gonna come. Alright, okay, so we're gonna put the black to the black, the white on the bottom, the red on the side. Okay, black, white, red, ground. Okay, now this wire right here is the feed, okay, which has the power. This wire right here on the top is the one that goes to the light, and this wire right here is the one that goes to the other box. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna peel all the wires. 1, 2, 3. Remember, you gotta make sure that the power is off. You don't wanna do this when the feed is hot. Safety first. See, right now there's no, it's dead, nothing. Okay, no power. We're gonna joint the two wires right here, the white ones. Let's use this, the one that goes to the light with the one that comes from the feed. This is the neutral. Always use pliers and twist the wires. Okay, so now we're gonna use this nut to make sure that it's not gonna come off or come loose. Okay, and the white wire, we wanna put it all the way down. Okay, now we're gonna grab the grounds, and all the grounds gonna do the same thing. Okay, we're gonna twist if you have one of these, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a little hole in the center of it. So what it does is, because we have too many wires and we only need one, but they all have to be connected at the same time. So what that's gonna do is gonna help us to keep those in place. So we're gonna slide this through the ground, okay, then twist until it's nice and secure. Okay, then we're gonna drive this down in the box. Now, as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires. The hat that comes with the feet, the black that comes from the feet into the black screw. Then the white screw, the white wire below. Okay, red goes here. The ground goes here. Then now we have 2 black wires. What we're gonna do with those, don't worry, these 2 are getting connected. We put another wire nut. We drive this into the box. Always put tape around the switch. We're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna put tape around to protect contact with the screws. Then we're gonna put the switch on place. Now remember, always double check there is no power. Okay, so now we're gonna need a light bulb to make sure that what we did is right. Now we got power on the box. Let's see if this is gonna work. So turn the light on you go to the next switch, turn it off. From this switch, turn it on. From this switch, turn it off. Turn it on, off, on. So this is pretty much how a three-way works. Okay, you got two switches that controls 1, 2 or 3 lights at the same time. Alright, so I hope this video helped you. If you want to do it yourself, remember, always cut off the power where your feed is coming. Then as long as you remember the wire from box 1 to box 2, it has to be a three-way wire, either 14-3, 12-3, depends on the gauge that you want to use or need to use. Okay, and this is the regular 14-2 going from the first switch to the light. Alright, so I hope you like this video. Please give me a like, subscribe, leave comments down below, and see you guys on the next video.